The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announced today that the state government is connecting young people with trusted agencies for overseas job placements, bridging the demand-supply gap. The government will fund training up to Rs 50,000, support visa processes and facilitate paperwork. Addressing a job fair in Tura, Conrad Sangma highlighted the potential for Meghalaya's youth in developed nations facing aging populations. He cited examples from his visit to Japan, where 2 nurses from Meghalaya are employed, and mentioned a hospital group's requirement for another 700 nurses annually. The state government has identified agencies for skill training, language learning and job placement, ensuring trust and safety for the youth. In the next few months, 121 youth from Meghalaya will be placed in Japan, Singapore and the United Kingdom, primarily in the nursing sector. The Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma also emphasized the opportunity for Meghalaya's youth to contribute to the state's foreign exchange earnings with potential monthly earnings of Rs 1.2 lakhs.
As a government, we decided that we will come in between. We will connect the youth and the agencies and the countries. We will fund the training up to 50,000 rupees per candidate. We will fund. We will connect you to the agencies who you can trust, because we are now there behind you. They cannot, or they are not the kind of people who will just take advantage or who are not genuine. These are the most genuine agencies in the country today. We will support you to get your visas done. We will support you to get the connection and the journey to the destination that you're supposed to go to. And hence government will play all that role through MSSDS and the Labour Department to be able to connect this demand and supply deficiency or gap that we have in the global market and bring it together. And that is the main purpose of today's program that we are having. We started this program in Shillong and we did not know how it would go, but to our pleasant surprise, it is going very, very well. And as I've given you numbers already, these are conservative numbers. They will be much higher than what we gave you. And it's not just nursing. Everything from construction to logistics, even airport assistance, catering, chefs, hospitality sector, education sector, music trainers, or musicians who will be able to teach, so teachers. So all of these areas, there is a huge requirement in the world today.